Hello guys, I just thought I made a quick video showing you guys what I've purchased at the train show I was exposing this weekend. Uh, with the money I made at the train show, I've purchased two vintage Athearn switcher. They run really great. I think I paid 45 bucks for both of them. I've also purchased those two New York Central passenger cars. For those two, I think I paid 30 bucks. I've also gotten this Pullman New York Central AHM passenger car for also 15 bucks. I got for $3 this vintage Babe Ruth chuffing sound car. It's like a roller with beads on the inside. Also, I've purchased a bunch of N scale cars with a knuckle style coupler. For those 4 in the box, no, sorry. Yeah, for those 4, this one, and this one, I paid 20 bucks. For this, and this one, I paid, I think 40 bucks. I've also gotten a bunch of, this is just a small box, but in my car, I have a lot of flex track for 30 bucks. With this, I got this Atlas SD60M. I need to clean the wheels, but it seems to be a very great runner, and I paid 90 bucks for it, Canadian, 90 Canadian dollar. I don't know if this is a great price on it, but it's Atlas, so I mean it's a great HO scale company. So I know more about HO than N, but the guy that was beside me at the train show, he knew a lot about it, and he said like Atlas, Micro Trains, Kato, it's all great brand for N scale. So let me show you. The track is not very clean, but it's very smooth. It doesn't make a lot of yeah, the track is dirty. So yeah, this is my first N scale loco and N scale cars. I'm gonna do maybe after the summer, maybe during the winter, I want to do because I've got this layout. That's my layout for the train show that I this is the one that I brought at the train show this weekend. This is my other layout, and on the bottom I've got some wood supports on both sides, and this is where my when I had my S gauge American Flyer layout, but in this space I want to make a N scale layout. So yeah, and I've sold my one of my American Flyer loco. I've kept my 5318, but I've sold to a very nice old gentleman my 31005 for a great price. I have also sold 2 of my switchers, one steam, one diesel. I've sold my CN GP38-2 with an MRC sound decoder, and I've sold also three old time cars, those yellow Bachmann one. So with all the money I made during the train show, I've all spent it at the train show for all that stuff. So this loco, SD60M by Atlas, it's brand new in its box. That's the plastic stuff, and that's the, you see, that's the box. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with all my purchase. So yeah, thanks for watching.